Hey guys, Greg here. I want to do another update on the BTC video to show you guys some stuff. And I mentioned it in the chat how I believe it's trading bots and algos that have kind of taken over, particularly BTC, since it's doing such weird moves. Just to give you an idea, I went over it earlier where this is an impulse down. So, and this is an impulse. I mean, there's just no doubt about it. That's an impulse move down, just like that. Um, and then it did one up. So this is where human behavior 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This area and stuff like this is where humans are not doing it. These are trading bots and algos that are breaking the natural human psychology sequence of events. So I went over this before. You have your typical 5-wave impulse, and the reason they're like that is, in the most the motive waves, people don't believe it. The 2 waves always a deep correction. It's called the oh shit correction too, and it goes deep because people really don't believe it. So that's why this retraces so deep. And then the 3rd wave, everybody starts, oh, this is the real deal. It goes deep, has the most momentum. And the 4th wave is a shallow correction, normally because the momentum from the 3rd wave is kind of transferred and it doesn't go back as far like a 2nd wave. So it's a little bit shallower. And then this is the last little push on the 5th wave to end the correction, and it does another to end it, and then has a deep correction. And then you'll have your traditional ABC correction like that in your 5-3-5s. And these are from human behavior. When Elliott Wave did this trading, there weren't trading bots. You didn't have to worry about that. Now you have to be concerned with the bots, where you're going to have WXY waves and more difficult to trade. More difficult to trade those waves. So I want to let you guys know that of what's going on over here. So like breaking this down would be, just to give you an idea. So here's a W and then the X, and it went up for a Y possibly, like that. And then the fib extension for something like this would be 1.38. And you see it hit that perfectly, 1.38. So a Y wave is usually 0.78 to 1.38. And you would take that area. So that would be the area if you knew this was a Y wave. Okay, so that would be the area that it hit it perfectly. And just to give you an idea of the nonsense that would be involved in something like this, is that you would have a lower degree WXY like that, and then possibly another lower degree WXY, something like that. And that's could possibly be 1, 2. Don't know yet. It's still, maybe the bots want this to go bullish. They just, that's all I could think. Anyhow, guys, just wanted to put that together for you, let you know what a little bit more what I think is going on. It's very weird. Like I said, I'm staying out of the market just for this reason. It's very difficult to trade stuff like that, as you can see when you start putting this stuff together. You can do support and resistance off of stuff like this. This is the 2nd test. If it comes back down and does it a 3rd time, it might just pop through there. So be careful, guys. Peace.